Hey there friends, come sing with me. Dance and learn on Momi TV. Smiles and songs and ABCs. Let's have fun on Momi TV. 5 little ducks with colors so bright waddled to the pond in the morning light. Red, blue, green, yellow, and pink, hooray! They flapped their wings and splashed all day. Quack, 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 come back, come back. Let's count the ducks and stay on track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so sweet. Each one dancing with happy feet. Red little duck wore a shiny red hat, bounced up high, just like that. Look at me, he laughed with glee. I'm as red as an apple on a tree. Quack, 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 come back, come back. Let's count the ducks and stay on track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so sweet. Each one dancing with happy feet. Blue little duck had a boat so wide, sailed it gently on the water ride. I'm as blue as the big blue sea. Come and sail away with me. Green little duck rolled in the grass, tumbled over with a giggle and a laugh. I'm as green as a leafy tree. Come and play and roll with me. Yellow little duck wore sunny shades, danced around in happy parades. I'm as bright as the sunshine beam. Let's all twirl and spin and gleam. Pink little duck gave hugs all day, shared her snacks and loved to play. I'm as pink as a cotton candy treat. Sharing is kind and oh so sweet. Quack, 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 we're back, we're back. 5 little ducks in a happy quack pack. Red, blue, green, yellow, pink, hooray! We learned our colors and had a great day. Thanks for watching, time to go. See you soon for another show. Sing and